find x and y if first one x plus y is equal to the matrix 7, 2, 0, 5 and x minus y is equal to the matrix 3, 0, 0, 3. And the second question is 2x plus 3y is equal to the matrix 2, 4, 3, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to the matrix 2, minus 1, minus 2, 5. Is the given question. So in both the case we have to find x and y value. So that is we need to find x value and y value. So let me solve for the first sub question. So given is x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. I call this as equation 1 and x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. I call this as equation 2. Now I need to find x and y value. For that, first I will add equation 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2. So I get x plus y plus x minus y in the LHS, which is equal to 7025 plus of 3003. Here in the LHS you can see I have x plus y plus x minus y. So I have plus y minus y, it get cancels. I have x plus x, which is 2x, which is equal to, so both are 2 cross 2 matrix. I can add the corresponding element. So I have first element as 7 and the corresponding element 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. And the second element we have 0 and the corresponding element is also 0. So 0 plus 0 gives you 0. And the next element is 2 and the corresponding element is 0. 2 plus 0 gives you 2. And the last element is 5 and the corresponding element is 3. 5 plus 3 gives you 8. So I need to solve for x. So x will be equal to, I can shift this 2 to RHS. I get 1 by 2 into the matrix 10, 0, 2, 8. If I multiply this 1 by 2 within the matrix, so I have to multiply for the each element so that I get x is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5, 0 by 2, which is 0, 2 by 2 is 1, and last 8 by 2 is 4. So I got the x value. So now we need to find the value of y. So let me subtract equation 1 and 2. That is subtracting 1 and 2. So I do 1 minus 2. I get x plus y minus of x minus y, which gives minus x plus y is equal to, in RHS the first matrix is 7, 0, 2, 5 minus of 3, 0, 0, 3. Yeah. In LHS I have x plus y minus x plus y, that is I have plus x and minus x, which get cancels. I have plus y, so I get 2y, which is equal to, I can subtract the RHS since both are 2 cross 2 matrix, so I can subtract the corresponding element. The first element is 7 and the corresponding element is 3. 7 minus 3 gives you 4, and the next element is 0, corresponding element is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 again, and next element is 2 and the corresponding element is 0, so 2 minus 0 gives you 2. Last element is 5 and the corresponding element is 3, so I get 5 minus 3 as 2. So I need to solve for y so that I can shift the 2 to other side. I get 1 by 2 into that matrix. So if 1 by 2 is multiplied to the matrix, I get y as 4 by 2, which is 2, 0 by 2, which is 0, 2 by 2 is 1, and the last 2 by 2 is 1 again. So therefore x equal to 5104 and y is equal to 2011. Let me find the x and y value for the second sub-question, where 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. I call this as equation 3, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. I call this as equation 4. So I need to find the value of x and y. So first I multiply equation 3 by 2. Equation 3 by 2. So I get, in LHS I get 2 into 2x plus 3y. So which is 2 into 2 is 4x plus 2 into 3y is 6y is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8, and 0 into 2 is 0. So I get equation, I call this as equation 5. Next, I multiply equation 4 by 3. Equation 4 by 3. So I get LHS as 3 3s are 9, x plus 3 2s are 6, y, which is equal to, so I have to multiply 3 to the matrix. So I get 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 again, so I get minus 6. I have 3 into minus 1, which is minus 3, and 3 into 5 is 15. I call this as equation 6. Now, in both the equation 5 and 6, I have 6y, 6y. So I can subtract and eliminate the y terms. So subtracting equation 5 and 6. So I do 6 minus 5. So that is 9x plus 6y minus of 4x minus 6y, which is equal to, so for equation 6 RHS I have 6 minus 6, 3 minus 3, 15 minus of equation 5, which is 4, 6, 8, 0. In LHS I have plus 6 and minus 6, which get cancels. So I left with 9x minus 4x. I get 9x minus 4x as 5x, which is equal to, in RHS I have a two different matrix, which is 2 cross 2 matrix. I can subtract the corresponding elements. The first element is 6, corresponding element is 4. 6 minus 4 gives 2. And the next element is minus 6, corresponding element is 6. So minus 6 minus 6 I get minus 12. And the next element is minus 3 and the corresponding element is 8. So minus 3 minus 8 gives you minus 11. And the next element is 15 and the corresponding element is 0. So minus 15 plus 15 minus 0 gives you 15. So this is 5x is equal to the matrix. I need x value. So I get 1 by 5 into the matrix 2 minus 12 minus 11 15. So this 1 by 5 is multiplied each elements of that matrix, so that I get x is equal to 2 by 5 minus 11 by 5 minus 12 by 5 and 15 by 5, which is 3, is the value of x. Now let me find the value of y. I can substitute this x value to any one of the equation 5 or 6. So I consider equation I have equation 3 is equal to 2x plus 3y is equal to 2430. So substitute x in equation 3. I get 2 into 2 by 5 2 into 2 by 5 and minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3 plus 3y is equal to 2340. So in LHS I have 2 into the matrix, so I have to multiply 2 within the matrix. I get 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5 and last element 3 into 2, which is 6, plus 3y is equal to 2340. So I want to solve for y. So I shift the matrix in LHS to the RHS. So I get 3y is equal to 2430 minus of 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5 6. So this gives, so both are 2 cross 2 matrix. I can subtract the corresponding element. The first element is 2, the corresponding element is 4 by 5. So 2 minus 4 by 5, I get 6 by 5. And next element is 3 and the corresponding element is minus 24 by 5. So 3 minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 24 by 5 gives 39 by 5. The next element is 4 and the corresponding element is minus 22 by 5. So 4 plus 22 by 5 gives 42 by 5. And the last element I have 0, corresponding element is 6. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6. I need to solve for y. So I shift the 3 to RHS. I get y is equal to 1 by 3 into the bracket. So I multiply that 1 by 3 into the bracket. So I get the matrix 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, and the last minus 2. So this is the y value for the second sub question.